Today, as it will be our last day in Prague, I will show you guys breakfast at our hotel, Ibis Old Town. The breakfasts here have been so good that it exceeded my expectations. So if you do visit Prague, you can put up in Ibis Old Town. Prices per night is really not expensive, considering a good decent daily breakfast. Let's find out what they have for breakfast. Alright, today is our last day in Prague, and we just finished breakfast in this hotel, the Ibis Hotel. Say hi. Anything to say?
No.
She has always nothing to say, but we'll interview her one day.
No!
But anyway, yes, today is our last day in Prague, and we were staying at the Ibis Old Town in Prague. So we will be heading to Vienna today using the train. So I'll show you guys how we will take the train from Prague to Vienna. Okay, and the tickets as well, how we bought the tickets and stuff. So yes, Prague has been a really nice place. Really enjoyed our 3 nights here. Yeah, 3 nights here, and we'll definitely want to come back again to visit more of the Czech Republic, right? Because things here are relatively cheaper than in Europe, in Germany, right? So yes, saying goodbye, and I'll show you guys the trains later. Right, signing off, and let's head off to the train station now. You can purchase your train tickets from the ticketing office at the Prague main station, or use self-service ticketing machines nearby to buy your tickets. These machines accept credit cards too. For us, we purchased our tickets online, and it cost us a total of 110 euros for 4 persons one way, all the way to Vienna. There are also elevators available at the Prague Central Station, should you have heavy luggages with you. Our train ride from Prague to Vienna main station is estimated to take 4.5 hours. After checking our train schedule on the digital information boards at the station, we headed to our platform. Today, our train departs from platform 5J. Do note that trains depart from different platforms daily. Therefore, you must always check the digital information boards on the day itself in case of any delays or changes. Today, we boarded the RJ1363 train towards Prague station, where we will need to transfer to another train from Prague to Vienna. Soon after a 3-hour journey, we arrived into Prague station. A lesson learned for us today. Always remember to reserve seats where you can, as public holidays can disrupt your seating arrangements and you will be left to stand throughout the journey. We did not book our seats on the previous train journey, and because it was a public holiday in Czechia, we were left to stand throughout the 3-hour journey all the way to Prague. This train ride will take us another 1.5 hours. Fortunately, the train was empty and we got to sit throughout the journey all the way to Vienna. Soon, after a tiring journey, we arrived into Vienna. Hopefully, you find this video useful for your next travel to Vienna from Prague. Signing off, and please remember to help me click the subscribe button if you enjoyed my videos. See you in my next videos. Goodbye.